Hey traders, TJ Watkins here. It is July 1st. All right, so we got 4th of July coming up, and remember we got this week is going to be kind of a short, weird week. We have Wednesday is a half day, basically close early. Thursday for the 4th of July, the market's going to be closed, and then Friday we have a full day. Okay, so just remember, if you guys like what I'm doing here and what I'm showing you guys, you can come over to simplertrading.com/moxie. It'll take you to this redirect link, and that's how you find more information about me. So the market, very interesting also, we're getting these generally signals that say, hey, we should be going down. I'm looking for a pullback. I've been looking for this basically for quite some time. I've been trying to see if the market's going to be, just a little too extended, and typically I would expect price to come down to the daily 21. Well, it seems to me that the market knows that 4th of July is coming up, and usually, as I said, the market is bullish into the 4th of July, and this might be what we're getting. So this might just be it. So we did have a bit of a sell-off on Friday, and then a rebound today. A little bit of a push down at the morning, then we rebounded, and you know what? Now that I'm kind of thinking about it, the market might just continue to go sideways for the next few days. Who knows what's going to happen after that, but right now it seems the market is pretty content doing this, going sideways, kind of finding some support and going up. If we look at the daily S&P, I mean, this thing is actually still so decently bullish that all the bodies of the candles are actually staying above the daily 8 EMA. Pretty impressive. Now, yes, the Moxie indicator here on the hourly chart is below zero and trending that direction, but this is, now that this is not going down, I would say it's because it's going sideways. And remember, the Moxie indicator is a momentum based indicator, so when there's no momentum, the momentum goes down, and that's what usually precedes a move to the downside. But the market can also fix itself by going sideways with time as opposed to price. So yeah, I would have I think the move down to the daily 21 would have been a little bit better as far as a continuation trade, but hey, given the holiday, given 4th of July, this might be what we get. And looking at the UVIX, okay, there we go. I'm on my laptop, so it takes a little bit. Looking at the UVX, it is showing zero signs of concern. In fact, I mean, just look at what today. I mean, we opened with, that was Friday, that little move up, and then we opened with the UVX sitting right there on the 15-minute 50, and it just torpedoed. So sure looks to me like nobody is going to have any fear of the market pulling back, at least this week going into the 4th of July. So we'll have to see if that continues and how it looks. That being said, we had a great day with Mara. I posted this on Twitter, on X, and you guys can see that I even had a direct entry. I said, look, I think this thing's gonna move the next day, and right there it did. So we got in, and then we even added to it on Friday. And then we're up here. So big, huge move on this. A lot of the cryptos moved today, and this certainly looks like a clear breakout to me from this, and a very, very nice kind of holding pattern there. And then you can see here breakout. So we're having a great day on Mara. Tesla was still looking pretty good. Some of the bigger FANG stocks are looking pretty good. That being said, though, if we look at the, I'll show you the breadth. This is. You got to be sticking with the names that are working, and amazingly the crypto worked today. The mega caps are working, but if you look at kind of the rest of the market has actually been coming down. This is the breadth indicator, and not looking super great. Not falling apart, but also not looking great, considering that the market's just kind of holding up there. So one other view we can do is look at the RSP. This is the equal weight. Let me come over here for you. This is the equal weight of the S&P, and you can see same kind of deal. You got to be in names that are working, otherwise it's just not working for you. And you can see here, it's just nothing's really happening. So even though the market is bullish into the 4th of July, and yes, we're in great names that are doing well, it is just not everything. Not everything is coming along. So I don't know. We'll have to see. Either this thing gets better and the market just continues, or this is going to get worse and we'll see a pullback and kind of some sort of refresh. But that being said, we're having a great time. Today was a great day. We're happy about it, and we'll see what kind of strength we can continue to get into the 4th of July. And remember, guys, if you're interested in finding out more information about me, you just come over here to simplertrading.com/moxie, and then you guys can come in, check out the room, and see how we get all these trades. All right, thanks again. Catch you at the next one. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below.
Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.